Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to enable charging protection on the Redmi Note 14 5G. So first open the settings, scroll down and tap on battery, and now tap on battery protection. In this section you can choose from three types of charging protection. First one, charge fully. This option charges your phone normally up to 100% every time. Battery protection. This is a strict mode that focuses on battery health. During the day the phone will not charge above 80% to prevent wear. It only charges to 100% once a day, specifically in the morning, by timing it to your alarm or your usual wake-up habit. For the rest of the time, it strictly holds the 80% limit to keep your battery like new. Smart charging. This mode is more flexible. The system learns your habits and pauses charging at 80% only when it predicts the phone will stay on the charger for a longer period of time. Unlike the strict battery protection mode, it usually lets you charge to 100% normally during the day. So select the option that best fits your needs. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.